Hello, people, this is Elizabeth from the SLX Chat team. Let's jump directly into our tutorial. The first step is so easy. Just click on the Learn English tab on the top inside the SLX Chat app. You'll find a lot of posts about learning English. Use all of those replies to practice your English. Post them in a separate post on your profile. And also try to chat with all the new words that you learned from this tab. Second way is similar to the first one. Go to YouTube and search for Practice Vocabulary English. Start to type all of words that you will learn. Back to SLX app again and practice with all of those new words, like put them in a post or use them in chatting. That way will help you to keep all new words that you saved in your long-term memory and you'll never forget them. Easy peasy, isn't it? Lastly and most importantly the third way, I'm going to show you how we can get new words from app instead of YouTube, and I prefer this way more than the first and the second way. Get your pen and notebook and write every new word you see in posts of other people until you create a big list of words. Now go to Google Translate and translate them into your language. Then do the practice part as same as the first and second way. Use all of those new words in writing your own post, or chat with someone.